Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is June the 20th and I'm using my new Super Scalper trading system. What I like about it is when the scalper turns from blue to yellow or yellow to blue, you'll get an audio sound and a pop-up alert just like this. And doesn't mean take the trade, but at least draws your attention that there's a potential trade. Using this along with the TZ, what I call the magic indicator down here, this goal line, when you use them both together, it's really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Now this is great for traders who love to scalp the markets, especially on the 5-minute time frame. Now you can easily trade all 3 trading sessions 24 hours a day. Now remember, there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading. You need a lot of chart time. You need a lot of demo trading. You need a lot of education. I provide the education. And you need a daily trade plan. Now you should be buying more education every 2 to 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. Now every morning, right where this vertical line is, this is 6 a.m. New York time, I'm in front of the computer producing my daily trade plan. You must have a daily trade plan. That's the number 1 main reason why you are failing. My mentor told me many years ago, traders, you have to plan your trade and then trade your plan. And if you don't have a plan, then you're just going nowhere and guaranteed to lose. You must know the direction of all the time frames, and then you can make a pretty good call whether you should be buying or selling. And then once I know if I should be buying or selling, I just put an either up or down arrow. This is not part of the system. I manually put this in. Okay, so now we can get into these trades. Took these trades. Most of them were around before 7 this morning, and this is one that I took around 10 a.m. So I took the trade, should have got in a little bit over here, but I took the trade and I thought it was going to immediately, break this bottom and come down to here, but it looks like it's struggling at this bottom. But anyhow, I closed it out with a winner. And looks like I ended up with 6 pips, and 6 pips paid out $539. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the pound yen. Wanted to be buying it. Buy signal from back here. Let's see where I did get in. I was sleeping at this time. But after I saw this nice big candle, I knew it was going to give me some pips. And I should have closed it out over here. But that's just the way trading goes. I'm watching 21 instruments, and it's hard to keep an eye on all of them. But anyhow, I ended up with 9 pips, and those 9 pips on this trade paid $666. Moving on to the next trade, which is the euro yen. This one I bought it. There's the arrow. See where I did get in at. Same as when I took the other trade, because they both look the same. And I closed out the trade at this cursor with about 16 pips, and those 16 pips on the euro yen trade paid $1,185. Now we get into the instruments that move a lot more and pay a lot more, as you can clearly see. Keep in mind that all my systems, including this Super Scalper, will trade and work on anything that your broker offers you. So let's see, 30-year bonds. Let's go and run a check on that. Wanted to sell it. Everything was looking very good for going down. Should have got in over here somewhere, but not a big deal. Still turned in to be a winner. And looks like it's 34 ticks. And those 34 ticks on this trade paid, times the $5, times 10 lots, paid $1,700. Okay, let's move on to the S&P 500. This one is the same as the 30-year bonds. Pays $5 a tick. Wanted to be buying it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Let's see where I got in at. Right here. Had an alert here. Another one over here. And let's see how many ticks I got on this trade. Looks like 120. And you remove the last digit, so 120 times 5 times 10 lots paid out an even $6,000. Okay, let's move on to the Dow Jones. This is another one that pays $5 a tick. Wanted to be buying. There's the arrow directly, from my daily trade plan, and away it went. See how important it is to have a plan? And let's see, 30. Just to let you know, I used a calculator, and it did say 134. There it is there. 134 ticks, and times $5 times 10 lots. As you can see, it paid $6,700. Okay, let's move on to the last trade, the Russell. Now this one pays $10 a tick. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Bought it here. It went mostly sideways. I knew with 95% certainty it was going to go up. And away it went. Looking at the total, it should be 78, and there it is there. Remove the last digits at 78 ticks, and that paid out $7,800. So another great day of trading starting out this week. I just added up all the pips and the ticks, and I knew it was going to be well over 200. The total was 397 pips and ticks, and that ended up paying out $24,591. So if your system is not producing on a daily basis like my Super Scalper, well, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. You can look right below this video to get more information. It's my Super Scalper system. Do charge $250 for it. I teach the secrets to successfully trading the markets. Now my system has over 3 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Now I threw in a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and 9 bonus videos. This is all just bonus education that will help you to find some level of success. Now I do teach a lot of different ways to trade, and that's why I produce 22 training videos about 30 minutes long each. Now I'm not going to read everything here. All you got to do is put the video on pause. And of course, if you have any questions, simple, all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. Now, if you live too far, well, it's simple again. Just send me an email. Here's my email address. Remember, there's an underscore right here. Now, I really do prefer Skype. Made it easy for you. All you got to do is click on this link, and we will have Skype connection. And now through Skype connection and screen sharing, I'll give you a free session, answer your questions, give you some tips and tricks. And remember, I do all of that with no obligation to you. So, time to wrap up this video. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, hopefully it'll be tomorrow, as long as don't have any distractions. I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay? Bye for now.